Let's convert 640 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Here's how you do it. So you need to memorize that 1 atmosphere is 760 millimeters of mercury, or you could look it up. What that means is when we convert 640 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres, we'll use this conversion factor. So we're just going to multiply 640 millimeters of mercury times our conversion factor. And that is 1 atmosphere equals 760 millimeters of mercury. But we want these to cancel out here. So let's put 760 millimeters of mercury here on the bottom. So this cancels out these units. And then atmospheres, the 1 atmosphere, let's put that up here on the top because we want to end up with atmospheres. Now, when we do the math, the millimeters of mercury on the top and bottom are gone. We're going to be left with atmospheres. So we're just dividing 640 by 760. We end up with 0.84210. Let's just call it 0.842. The units, that's going to be atmospheres, which is what we were left with, so we know we did it right. This is Dr. B converting 640 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.